Oh, look at this angelic creation. Hey, what's up, Eat Squad? Today I'm going to show you how to make the best brownies. It's decadent, it's rich, and it's exceedingly fudgy. Let's get it. I'm just going to start off by chopping up some chocolate for our brownies. I've got some Lindt 70% cocoa dark chocolate bar here. Wow, still no golden ticket. You want some small chunks here, about 1/4 inch. There we go. Let's just set this aside for now and start with our wet ingredients. In my bowl here, I'm going to start cracking some eggs. I'm going to use about 4. Just give this a good whisk before adding the rest of my wet ingredients. The eggs, especially the yolks, are what's going to make it rich and decadent. And beating the eggs really well is going to incorporate some air and fluff up the brownies a bit more. And then some melted butter. All this butter is what's going to make the brownies really fudgy. Some granulated white sugar. Some brown sugar. This is going to add moisture and chewiness to your brownie. A bit of salt. You gotta add some salt in if you want to taste the sweet. Some all-purpose flour. Some cocoa powder. Dutch process works really well here. And lastly, some espresso. This is gonna help enhance and bring out that rich chocolate flavor. So if you want the exact measurements, check out the description box below. I'll write out a full recipe so you can make these amazing brownies at home too. And while you're down there, make sure you hit that like and subscribe button so you can get more delicious recipes. To this, I'm just gonna add in our chopped chocolate. Semi-sweet probably works the best here, and just mix this all up. Wow, this batter is thick. Into a pan lined with some parchment paper, I'm just going to add this in. Into my preheated oven it goes at 350 for about 30 minutes. The key is to not overcook the brownie. You want the edges to be a bit firm, but the middle to still be a bit jiggly. And there you have it, folks, the fudgiest and the most decadent brownie.